Hey everyone! Welcome back to Cub's Quiz. Today we're playing Rate Your Fears and tackling some of the most terrifying would you rather scenarios you've ever faced. Ready to rate? Let's get started. Let's kick things off with a classic fear, ghosts. Okay, time to pick your poison, literally. Would you rather face a snake or handle a spider? This one's tough. What's your choice? Comment below. Next up, heights. Rate your fear. Are you terrified, scared, nervous, or cool? This one's going to give you chills. Would you rather be trapped in a tiny elevator or be chased through the forest by a bear? Spiders! Are you the type to scream at the sight of one? Or are they no big deal to you? Give it your fear rating. Which one scares you more? Starting a new job or moving to a new city? Public speaking is a fear that so many people share. How about you? Rate your fear. Both are pretty rough, but what's worse, being haunted by nightmares or not being able to sleep at all? Rate your fear of the dark. Would you rather go skydiving or swim with sharks? Back to the creepy crawlies. How afraid are you of snakes? Would you rather be stranded at sea or lost in the desert? Both sound terrifying. What would you pick? How do you feel about flying? Rate your fear. Two major fears, deep water or heights. Which one scares you more? For those who fear needles, this one is for you. How much do they freak you out? Two heavy fears here. What's worse, personal failure or public humiliation? Which would you rather avoid? Rate your fear of thunderstorms. Another survival situation. Would you rather be stranded at sea or lost in the wilderness? The ocean can be mysterious and dangerous. How scared are you of the deep blue sea? This one's intense. Would you rather face drowning or being buried alive? Neither sounds great, but you have to choose. How worried are you about germs? Claustrophobia versus the fear of the dark. Which one freaks you out more? Rate your fear of being alone. A tough one. What would be harder to face, losing your home or losing your job? Tell us in the comments. How do you feel about dogs? Rate your fear. Time for a wild challenge. Would you rather walk through a haunted house alone or bungee jump off a cliff? Blood. Do you get squeamish or are you totally fine? Rate your fear level. Which terrifying scenario would you rather face? Falling off a cliff or being stuck in quicksand? Rate your fear of zombies. Last but not least, which one scares you more? Speaking to a stranger or public speaking? That's a wrap on our ultimate fear challenge. How did you do? Comment below your biggest fear and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun quizzes and challenges. See you next time!